nice weather. I love this weather. I think everybody does. When it's cold but the sun is on your skin, I think it looks nice. Feels nice. Should I name it like my Sunday vlog or something? Because I don't have anything to talk about. I haven't put any sunscreen on my face or on my hands. So I'm gonna get red after the sun is gone. I was thinking to talk about why do we think about certain people during certain seasons. I dreamt about two people from past, like in one night. It's very weird. Out of all the things that should be happening, like the worst thing that happens is when you dream about somebody. Like, no, that's not the worst thing, but this whole pandemic was the worst thing that I've ever seen. But I'm just saying that dreaming about people that you don't talk to anymore, are from your past, don't have anything to do with you, haven't talked to in years, that shouldn't be happening. Why does it happen? Like, is your subconscious thinking about it? Like, the weather changes are making your subconscious miss those people, or are they missing you? I read this post which said when you dream about somebody, it means that person is trying to heal from you, which is a very self-centered thing that the person is thinking about to you. That is why you are dreaming of them. I mean, shouldn't it be the other way? But yeah. I can sit in sun for hours. It's like my most favorite thing to do. Even in summers, I like to be under the sun. I think it's something, it has something to do with the seasonal affective disorder. You know, they say that sitting in the sun helps you deal with the depression. So whenever I'm in the sun, or if I sit under the sun for like 4 to 5 minutes or even hours, my day goes a little better. I'm a little bit more positive. Light therapy is what they say. I'm playing with my hair so much because it's hot. It's lit. I cannot believe this year is ending. I cannot believe in 1 month I'll be 22 years old, and I don't think I'll be celebrating. I think I'll be sitting and thinking about what I should have done. But I'll try to. I won't be celebrating it with my friends, I think, but I don't know what I'll be doing on my birthday this year. Usually I go out with my best friends, my two best friends. This time it's different. I haven't met my friends in a while. One friend left in January. Another friend we met last month, but that too we met after 10 months. Even though we live nearby, like it's 15 minutes maximum from here, but we don't meet each other as much. When you grow up, friendships become different. Like, we did not know how much friends mattered until we had to stay away from each other. Like, we had to deal with the time differences, deal with fights and stuff. We grew up, but I'm so grateful for my friends. Like, these two best friends have stuck with me for so long. I'm grateful for them. I'm gonna stick with them for ever. Like, yeah, that's what we have decided. I recently saw a Queen's Gambit. It was nice. I don't know anything about chess, but I really wanted to learn chess like that the day I finished it. But the lazy person I am, I cannot. I don't want to learn chess, no. Yesterday I saw, it's kind of a funny story. I've seen that movie, like I've seen it in bits. I've seen the ending, I've seen it in middle, but like I haven't seen the whole movie. So I sat and watched it. It was fine. Even though in India we do not celebrate, like I do not celebrate Christmas personally, but I have been always in the Christmas spirit. Like whenever it's about to be December, I just think about watching all the romantic comedies, all the Christmas miracles, and movies related to Christmas miracles. It's fun. Like if you are a cheesy, optimistic person, you will love Christmas movies, like I do. It's Sunday. People should be at home. People should be sitting with their families and having fun at home instead of going out, because it's not cool to go out. I'll be making more videos obviously every day. Consider this as my Sunday vlog. I talked about something and I've been listening to B, the new album by BTS, Just Like Magic by Ariana Grande, and there's a whole playlist that I listen to. I'll link it in the description below. You can all listen to it. It's very nice. Songs that make you feel like the main character. And okay, I'll see you all later. Bye. Thanks for being here.